Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Olympic National Park. We're going to visit Hurricane Ridge. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the adventure for today.
Olympic National Park protects nearly 1 million acres of diverse wilderness. Today's journey takes us south of Port Angeles to a windswept portion of the Olympic Peninsula. A 17-mile paved road leads tourists on a winding journey through a lush, mountainous environment sitting at 5,242 feet of elevation. Due to an unfortunate fire, the Hurricane Ridge Day Lodge, located at the top of the mountain, burned down in 2023. As you continue along the scenic mountainside drive, there are plenty of pull-off opportunities to capture all of the vistas throughout Hurricane Ridge. Sit back and enjoy another tranquil journey in the Pacific Northwest, our final stop within Olympic National Park.
Alright guys, we just made a quick little pull off here. You guys could see this is the route we were on. There's our vehicle right over there. We drove all the way down the 17-mile road in the mountain. This is so incredible. We did it, guys. We made it to Hurricane Ridge. Alright guys, after that amazing drive, we have finally made it to the Hurricane Ridge Visitor Center, but actually the Visitor Center burned down in a structural fire. I'll show you in a minute here. We're pulling up to it. It's burned down completely to the ground. The sun's starting to come out, guys. It's hitting the mountain peaks beautifully. You could hear a pine cone drop out here.
The Christmas tree for it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it smells so good. What do you think?
Oh, this is nice. Weather's cooperating.
It's beautiful up here. It's chilly, but I feel good. I really do feel good. In shorts. It's like we're in Christmas land. Oh, this is nice. Sun coming through. It's a nice picture right there. All right, guys, we're gonna stop real quick in the Olympic National Park Visitor Center, because the one at Hurricane Ridge actually burned to the ground, as I showed you before. This is nice. And really my only purpose here is I'm looking for a souvenir cup, because all the other ones didn't really have it. And I like to collect cups everywhere I go. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is the kind of visitor center I like, guys. This is amazing. Oh my God, look at that. So we drove all the way up here. The whole thing. Oh look, we have these in Ohio. Blue herons. This is the bird that I saw at Rialto Beach, Dad. Look at this. This is the Native Americans used these large canoes here. This is what they used to hunt whales, Dad. Look, this is what they used to hunt whales. Oh my God. Oh, look at this.
It's all the stuff that's in the forest.
That's amazing, all the different types of mushrooms. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is one of the trees from the park. Over here, look. 1938, Olympic National Park was created. 1872, Yellowstone. 1776, Declaration of Independence. 1349, the tree began life. Oh my gosh.
650 years old.
650 years old.
And there's a sapling.
Jesus.
That's how it starts.
Oh my God. That's amazing, really. This visitor center is nice.
It is nice.
Like it. All right, guys, over here you can see the Roosevelt elk. We have not seen any elk. We really haven't seen a lot of wildlife other than deer and chipmunks and stuff.
Cougar behind you.
And this cougar over here, this is what was in Soul Duck Falls yesterday. Those are all throughout the area. Beautiful visitor center, guys. Now I'm gonna go and look for a souvenir cup. Alright guys, there's an old historic cabin over here. It's called the Beaumont Cabin. This log cabin was built in 1887, about a mile south of here, by Mr. and Mrs. Elliott Beaumont as a home while proving up on a 160-acre government homestead. Wow. They lived in this cabin for almost 40 years. The cabin was donated by Mr. Don Newman to the Klamath County Historical Society to be used as an exhibit of pioneer life in the Olympic Peninsula. That's amazing. It was moved from the original site on this property in 1962 by members of the society, and they have restored the furnished cabin with representative furnishings of the pioneer period, 1850 to 1900. Beautiful. You guys can see inside there a little bit. Actually, let me